Saturday morning. Didn't have it in me to mess with this thing last night. So it's about 8 in the morning. Got to sleep in a little bit, and it's time to get started on this turd. All because of that guy. One of the retainer clips for the throwout bearing popped out. Trying to get the clutch adjusted the other day. So the engine and transmission has to come out again. I'm not going to try and do it the fastest, but I'm going to try and be as efficient and clean as I can. And see if I can get this thing back in and running again tonight. We'll see. Okay, everything up front is disconnected and ready to go. I've got starters undone, all the grounds undone, all the wirings undone. Throttle body, I need to disconnect the throttle body cable from the intake manifold actually. Other than that, everything's done. Alternator, all the vacuum lines, it's all good to go. Just need to get that throttle body cable. Then I gotta go into the interior, pull the shifter, pull the carpet, pull the tunnel, and get transmission mount bolts and drive shaft. Well, that thing fought me the whole way. Shifter was stuck, some stuff was stripped, and it was just awesome like always. Everything is done under the car. It's time to hook the motor up and pull it out. Well, that's not the worst thing for a morning. Engine's out, trans is off. Somehow, passenger side motor mount got caught and ripped off. I think I have another one on my spare motor that's the same. We'll see. I pulled my motor mount on the other side, and it looks like it's about to do the same thing. And looking at the other ones I had, they look like they're Mighty Max motor mounts. I'm not sure what this is that's been on the car, but I was trying to previously use both of these spacers, but there's just not enough threads to do it. So I've been using just the bigger one, and still not a lot of threads after it goes into the mount on the car. If I use these, they're going to be slightly taller, the Mighty Max ones are, and get me the kind of spacing that I was looking for and have all the thread. And it's something I can find easily as far as replacing it if I ever need to. But both of the ones on my spare motor look like they're in good shape. So I think I'm going to run with them. All right, the new old motor mounts are on. Got the new old throwout bearing on, which was a little more different than I remember it being, which is why things didn't work. So just causing myself problems, because that's what happens when you work on cars. Time to put the motor back. That was an absolute nightmare. The new motor mounts, while they accomplish the space that I want, are so terrible to get in here. I had to remove steering shaft, had to modify the motor mounts where they are on the frame. I don't love how it is now, but I didn't have any replacement motor mounts. Everything's back in. Time to start connecting everything back. Car is all back together again. Every bit. Two main issues now. So I have a small coolant leak down there where the block-off plate is. And that's a first there. I'm guessing just as much as I had to fight to get the engine in this time, it got hit and just loosened it up enough to make it a problem. As far as the clutch goes, it kind of is working. It's doing what it's always done, where it doesn't want to act like it's really bled, and it kind of works. So I need to mess with that some more. And I just don't have it in me today. I'm going to call it done. And probably pull the tunnel again, because I can get to the clutch stuff easier, and I can get to that water leak. Well, that's it.